Hi guys, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. I want to thank you for purchasing or earning my Sketched Butterflies class. So this is just an introduction video just to show you the projects, show you some of the products that we're using so you can have them at hand when you go through the videos. So we are using the Sketched Butterfly stamp set and the dies. Now, if you know me or have followed my videos for a long time, you do know I am partial to a butterfly set. Have I owned every butterfly stamp set in the 13 years I've been a demonstrator? No. Surprising. I'm sure you would have thought yes, but the answer is actually no, I haven't. But this one I particularly love because of the sketched nature. So this is card number 1, just using the stamp set. So also use some of the new in colors on this card. My second card, I have done some coloring, so using some Stampin' blends, some embossing and some dies. So on top of the Sketch Butterfly bundle, I have used the Eyelet 3D embossing folder and the amazing Spotlight on Nature dies. So there are 3 different edge designs on these circle dies. They are so beautiful, and I have used Stampin' blends to color the butterfly in. So that is card number 2. Now card number 3 is predominantly using the dies. So, and I have used the Radiating Stitches dies that maybe, yes I can, put my little fingers on. Oh, there's a stamp on there. So the Radiating Stitches dies, love these rectangles. I just want to put that stamp back there so it doesn't go missing. God forbid I lose a stamp. Now the Designer Series paper that I have used on that card is actually the Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper. So I will just quickly go through and show you some of the B-sides, because that is exactly what I cut up. So there are some beautiful B-side patterns here that can be used. Sorry, I'm just trying to grab all the gorgeous multicolored ones that I used. And I definitely did use that one. So some gorgeous designs, and on the other side we have landscapes. So they're all watercolor landscapes. So I did use that Designer Series paper. So I do have another card that I added in that I had previously done a video on. This was one of my team card swaps, and it is using the Labeled in Love punch, the Sketch Butterfly Stampin' dies, and using the Leaf Collection background stamp. So from this card you can get 5 cards. And I did use the in colors again. So they are the 3 exclusive cards, 1 bonus card, and there is a live video that will be linked as part of this class, because I did use a lot of my leftovers from doing the class in person and my team meeting. I had leftovers, so I used them in one of my live videos. So you do have a total of 5 videos to inspire you. I do hope you enjoy this class as much as I have creating it. I do hope to use it a lot more, but it is Sketch Butterflies. Thank you so much for supporting me. I truly do appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. because I do like to give you the correct information, and if I haven't got something right, I would love to rectify that. So don't forget to check out the project sheet as well, which has measurements and all the products used on that project. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the card videos. Bye.